If your right AirPod Pro 3 starts making a high-pitched whistling or squealing sound, it can be surprisingly annoying. In most cases, this isn't a hardware failure. It's usually acoustic feedback caused by an imperfect seal in your ear. When sound leaks out of the speaker and loops back into the microphone, active noise cancellation amplifies it, creating that sharp squeal. Since ear shapes aren't perfectly symmetrical, it often happens on just one side. The good news is, most of the time you can fix it yourself in minutes. Important steps. 1. Make sure your AirPods firmware is updated, since software updates often fix audio bugs. 2. Remove the ear tip and clean it gently with a soft, dry cloth to clear wax or debris. 3. Try different ear tip sizes to create a tighter, more secure seal. 4. Reset your AirPods by holding the setup button on the charging case for about 15 seconds until the light flashes. 5. Temporarily turn off active noise cancellation to see if the noise stops, which confirms a seal issue. 6. Check your iPhone AirPods settings for any microphone or hardware warnings.